The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan presents a definitive statement in the ultra-luxury SUV segment, marrying traditional craftsmanship with modern performance and technological sophistication. From the moment you first set eyes on its commanding proportions to the instant you slide into the cabin and settle into the craftsmanship, it is clear that this vehicle is built for a clientele who expect the very best. Beginning with the powertrain, the 2026 Cullinan is equipped with a 6.8-liter twin-turbo V12 engine producing approximately 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque in the standard configuration. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic that drives all four wheels, giving it both effortless acceleration and composed stability. While fuel economy is hardly the focus here, typical figures point to about 12 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway in US testing. In terms of dimensions, the Cullinan is vast, a wheelbase of roughly 129.7 inches, an overall length just over 210 inches, a width of around 85.2 inches, and a height near 72.2 inches. Although big, it's engineered with utmost care. The chassis utilizes an aluminium space frame structure derived from Rolls-Royce's architecture of luxury platform, paired with air suspension and active roll control systems to deliver that hallmark magic carpet ride. The exterior styling is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, the iconic Pantheon grille, upright proportions, and a presence that commands attention. Yet the 2026 model brings subtle refinements, sleeker lighting, more refined surfaces, and upgraded wheel options. On the rear, polished stainless steel exhaust surrounds and a brushed finish protective plate introduce a modern twist to the traditional elegance. Step inside and the cabin elevates luxury to another level. Leather, fine wood veneers, metal detailing, and gloves-off craftsmanship define the environment. Hand-stitched elements, bespoke color and material combinations, and features like the shooting star headliner, hundreds of fiber optic lights embedded in the roof lining remind you that this is not just luxury, it's art. The infotainment system has been updated to Rolls-Royce's latest software, paired with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, digital gauge display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and rear seat entertainment optional for those being chauffeured. Practicality is not ignored despite the opulence. The Cullinan offers seating for 5 in its standard configuration, with an optional 4-seat lounge layout featuring 2 rear lounge chairs separated by a center console. The cargo capacity isn't massive due to the size of the interior appointments, about 19.8 cubic feet behind the rear seats in the standard configuration. On the road, the Cullinan delivers a refined experience, a quiet cabin, smooth ride, and effortless power. Testing by several outlets recorded 0 to 60 mph times around 4.7 to 5.1 seconds depending on spec. Handling is composed rather than sporty, prioritizing serenity over corner carving, but the engineering ensures that even such a large vehicle feels manageable. The 4-wheel steering and active suspension help with low-speed agility and high-speed straight-line stability. The technology and driver assistance suite are fully up-to-date. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, automatic high beams, a 360-degree camera system, and other features that elevate the driver experience and improve safety. Customization remains a hallmark of the Rolls-Royce experience, and with the 2026 Cullinan you are free to specify truly bespoke finishes, from horn inlay coach lines to special paint colors, custom interior modules and tailored materials. 1. Black Badge variant boosts power to approximately 600 horsepower and 664 pound-feet torque, and offsets more aggressive styling cues such as dark chrome accents and black stained wood. From the perspective of someone creating a YouTube article or video script, there are several angles worth emphasizing. The luxury tech blend angle shows how this SUV combines handcrafted artisan touches with advanced electronics. The performance in excess angle shows how even an enormous 3-ton SUV can deliver V12 power and effortless straight-line pace. The presence and lifestyle angle underscores how the Cullinan functions as a status symbol and a highly capable cruiser for the elite. Visually rich elements such as the starlit headliner, the intricate stitching and trim, the vast dimensions, and the commanding road presence all make for standout footage. Then you might include user experience, the way the door closes with that soft, heavy thud, the quiet, isolated cabin, the performance when you press the accelerator, These sensory details connect emotionally with viewers. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is not just an SUV, it is a statement of luxury, capability, craftsmanship and exclusivity. For a viewer or potential buyer in countries like Pakistan, where ultra-luxury imports denote status and taste, its appeal is strong. Yes, the running costs and initial purchase price are extreme, but for the right customer the Cullinan delivers unparalleled presence, comfort, and refinement. For your YouTube article, focus on the visuals, the emotions, the engineering story, the personalization options, and how this vehicle fits into the modern luxury lifestyle.